A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin to focus on the sensations of your body. Imagine your stomach area is filled with warmth and relaxation. Breathe into this area, inviting the warmth to spread throughout your digestive system. Become aware of any areas where you feel tension or discomfort and consciously relax them. With each breath in, rub your hand in a circle on your belly and feel it become full with air. On each exhale, notice the muscles retract and the belly becoming smaller. Continue to breathe in and out and feel the warmth in your abdomen. Now, become aware of how you are digesting each bite of food that enters your body. Visualize it breaking down into tiny particles which will be used by the body for nourishment and energy. Feel these particles being carried through all parts of your digestive tract until they are released from the body as waste products at a later time. Breathe in and out. Gently shift your hips from side to side, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Picture your digestive muscles working in perfect harmony with each organ and area performing as it was designed. See the health of your digestive system improving with every breath you take. Continue to breathe into this area and rub your belly with one hand as you breathe in, allowing relaxation and warmth to flow through your digestive system. Allow your body to release as you breathe out. Transition from hand on the belly to gently shifting your hips back and forth as you breathe. When you are ready, open your eyes and come back to the present moment, feeling calm, refreshed, and nourished.